Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to scan QR code screenshot. Okay, for us to proceed, open up your photos. Then, open up the QR code that you want to scan. We can scan it by tapping on the small text box right here on the right bottom. We can press open in Safari. And ta-da! As you can see, it is working just fine. But the question is, what if the method doesn't work? You happen to not see the small text box below just like this one. What you want to do is to simply take a screenshot of it. And then, the screenshot QR code will then be recognized by your iPhone. By that, you can proceed on scanning your QR code. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now scan QR code screenshot. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.